Go.
Hi everyone, this is Vandana. I'm an art of living teacher. So one of my senior teachers has suggested me to undergo the session of RakkehnHo. But I was like, I was doing my sadhana. I'm okay. Everything is okay. I said we'll see. But then I thought, let's go for it, and went. It was amazing relaxation. And RakkehnHo session is not only given peace and rest to my body, but also emotionally I was very much cured. I felt like that. So immediately I said to my senior teacher that I'm going to do this course. So after doing this course, there are a lot of changes in my state of mind, and also in the body itself. My body became very supple, and there is more focus in my life, and the situations around me also changed a lot. So it helped me a lot. So let's all do this. Thank you so much. Bye.